Hello, I'm Stephen Watson here at Someday Farm, offering today's Tàijíquán Tip. Pretty simple tip I have in mind today. Um, so I'll take a moment to remind you, patreon.com/somedayfarm is how I pay my rent and put food on the table. But you can certainly use Venmo or Cash App or PayPal or something like that and send in a few bucks. Uh, Failing that, financial support. Go online, like, subscribe, comment, engage, share a few videos, subscribe to my mailing list, subscribe to my YouTube channel, and so forth. And Patreon can be very cheap, by the way. You can just spend a couple bucks a month. You can, put a ceiling in for what you're willing to spend. So anyway, today's Tàijíquán Tip is to practice with music. The particular version that I'm doing is I'm playing. I have in one of my years I'm playing. Uh, a tune that my teacher taught with and I heard in every class, and I really grew to dislike deeply. So I really don't like it. But I'm trying to have some fun with it, dig up some nostalgia and remember those classes. But you can certainly play the music that you like, which is probably the most likely kind of music you'd choose. Um, uh, when you do this, this might kind of change the rhythm of your form. I find myself kind of practicing sort of like this sometimes, like a little bit of up and down to the beat. Because I'm not trying to do it perfect. I'm trying to have a little bit of fun and be a little bit softer in my mind with regard to the practice. And so all kinds of different music can really shift how you're practicing your form. And so mix it up a little bit, see how that goes. So thank you very much. I might recommend Martin Sexton or Krishna Das. Uh, Mano Singh. Oh, so good for Tàijíquán. All right. Thank you. Thank you. Keep making beautiful music together. Get to your class. Practice.
Thanks for showing your support for today's Tàijíquán tip. Tips really go a long way. And if you can't afford to help financially, comment, subscribe, share, and like, and all that stuff. To be in touch with me, go to my Linktree, Someday Farm. Thank you.